Reign of Prosperity Aura Mist by Kate's Magik is a sacred invitation to shift from scarcity into possibility. At the heart of this uplifting blend is Basil, a sacred herb long associated with prosperity, clarity, and new opportunities. Balanced by Bergamot, the oil of joy and self-worth. Close your eyes, mist above your crown, take a deep breath. This radiant citrus essence gently lifts emotional heaviness. Together, these botanicals reminds you that abundance begins with believing you are worthy of receiving it.